Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to check responses in Google Forms. So first of all you will open up your Google browser and then you will search for Google Forms here. Then you will open up the first link and then you will go click on this option where it says go to Forms and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail account. Okay. So then you will click on this blank option, or I will just click on this recently created form. And basically to get the responses, what you're gonna have to do, you will just simply click on responses here, and when someone's basically adds the response to your form or basically fill out the form, you will see all of the responses here. And even if you want, you can basically link these responses to the Google Sheets as well. So click on link to Sheets, create a new spreadsheet, and what this will do is this will basically create a new spreadsheet, and when someone basically fills out your form, his or her response will be like saved here in the form of a sheet. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.